So yet another great day and another great story at CCH. We have our most recent career comeback champion, Sheetal, with us. Sheetal, many congratulations for the amazing feat. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling wonderful, and I would like to thanks you and all the energies that were flowing through CCH. That helped me a lot. I can't express it in words right now. And thank you
Superb,
very
Sheetal.
much. And
I
like
I understand.
after a long time, like it's almost 2 years, I was waiting for this.
So your
And
career break, you had a career break of 2+ years?
no, it's 1.8 years right now.
Okay, so almost 2 years.
Yes, almost.
Amazing, amazing. So, just for the benefit of all the other warriors and everybody who would watch this story in recording later, let us just take them through your story, Chetan, right? So, in a brief, tell us how was your work profile before your career break and what led to the career break?
Okay, so I was working as a individual contributor throughout my career. And so my last company was Persistent Systems, and I was working on cybersecurity product. And actually, that product was interesting for me, but somehow the working hours were like more. It was like 14, 15 hours, and that took toll on me, and I had health issues.
Hmm.
So I took a gap. Like I thought for my
You
personal well-being.
consciously took a break.
Yes,
Amazing.
and
And when was this?
it was in August. First, I tried to take a sabbatical break in August 2024. But actually, I thought I would need some more time for myself. So
Hmm.
I extended it. And after, I think, since last February, I started my search again. And
Okay.
then I came across a career comeback
So this
on
was
Facebook.
so this year, February itself, you started to look out again. 2026 February.
Yes,
Okay.
2026.
Okay. And because you might have recovered with your health issues, like you were feeling fine to get back to work, right?
Yeah, actually, I wanted to tell like I went into depression because of the work culture and all.
Okay.
So it took me time to get myself back into this corporate world. Then
Okay.
I did my yoga certification in this time during this time. Took
Hmm.
time for my family, my kid, and now I'm better, like confident, more confident,
Wow.
and
So happy to know this.
yeah,
Amazing. So you worked on yourself first and then you moved to
yes,
working on your career.
yeah, yeah.
Amazing, amazing. Okay, then okay, February you thought you're now good to go back, restart your career. Then what
Yes.
happened?
Then I came across career comeback on Facebook. I saw that. I thought I'll give a try. Like there are more women like me who are trying to get back into corporate world, and that would help me actually. Like
Hmm.
where I'm lacking behind, like I would also gain some more confidence hearing the stories, success stories, and I would think like what is going wrong for me. I
Hmm.
can take good right steps and all. So I think in February end I joined CCH and had
You entered
amazing,
the master class and immediately you joined the
yeah,
cohort.
cohort.
Okay.
And then I
Okay.
had discussion with you and joined
Hmm.
Diamond High.
How
And
how
like
much time did you take to upgrade to Diamond High?
not more. I think within 1 week I joined
You
Diamond.
upgrade to Diamond. Yes, I remember having a one-to-one discussion with you after your Diamond
Yes.
application. Yes.
Yeah. And the energy flow were amazing. Like I attended most of the sessions. Right now I'm not able to attend, but I have attended mostly Monday months, LCC, ICC, and like they were very helpful. And all the friends, I would be thankful to all the friends, especially my guide like Padma and other team members. Like
Amazing.
their
Padma Pay is your
energy.
commander?
Yeah, yeah, Padma is my commander.
Amazing, amazing.
I think another thing is like the boot camp that also helped me a lot. Like
Hmm.
it helped to revise my LinkedIn profile, my
Hmm.
resume, and all that also helped a lot. And the games
Hmm.
that you played, they were really very worth. I'm
Hmm.
really thankful to you, Satyam. Like it
Likewise, I
was
appreciate that.
amazing journey.
Amazing, amazing. And also, like your journey was pretty quick. I'm sure you would have immersed yourself in the energies and you executed well. So,
Yes.
After you entered Diamond, you started attending all sessions, leadership council calls, Monday
Yes,
months. You were actively attending because I saw you in those calls as well. You were
yes.
executing the exercises as well.
I try to, but because of this my upskilling part, I couldn't do
Mm.
most of the things. Like
Mm.
I had interviews and all, so
Yes.
and also I had to learn some more new tools, Kafka and all.
Mm.
So I spent my time there, but I
Amazing. So
tried most.
you were going through your reskilling journey, right? Your
Yes,
reskilling was going on.
yeah.
Amazing. How did LinkedIn turn out for you? Like, were you executing the LinkedIn game that you learned inside Diamond?
Yeah, I think I got few calls from LinkedIn also. After
Okay.
postings, I
Mm.
posted few interview queries
Mm.
like with answers, and that had a lot of impressions for that. That also
Amazing.
helped, I think.
Amazing. It would have helped for sure. So
Hmm.
before CCH and after CCH, what were the things that you were not doing before CCH, which you started doing after CCH, which led to this change?
Okay, before CCH, I think I was like I didn't had a direction like where to go.
Mm.
I was frustrated, like nothing was helping me out.
Mm.
But after CCH, first of all, the three things like self-reliant, growth mindset, and taking
Accountability.
accountability.
Mm.
These three things helped me a lot.
Mm.
Like those were the changing points for me.
You were exercising the values, like you were consciously exercising the
Yeah.
values. Amazing.
And I had a lot of negative thoughts before, like
Mm.
CCH. Like I would not be able to crack the interviews and all.
Mm.
But after joining, like I thought it will take some time, but definitely I'll be able to crack the interview someday.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes, 100%. I mean, so
And
values was one part, and in terms of execution before CCH, how did your LinkedIn look? How was the resume? Did you change these things after entering into Diamond?
yes, LinkedIn profile I changed after joining CCH. After
Mm.
having that boot camp, I changed
Mm.
8 changes.
Mm.
And resume part also.
Mm.
I hadn't mentioned clearly about my career break, like what I did in this camp. But after
Mm.
having the boot camp, I modified that, and that also helped me a lot.
Amazing, amazing. Really happy to know that. So you executed everything that you were learning. You were not just learning, you were executing as well.
Yeah, I was executing that.
Amazing. And how did this opportunity arise? Like how was this different from other opportunities earlier which you were not getting? How did you actually fruitify this?
Yes. Initially, before CCH, also I had attended the interviews.
Hmm.
Like I was able to crack first round,
Hmm.
but somehow second round didn't go well for me.
Hmm. Hmm.
And actually, I was in the flow also, like checking all the opportunities available. So
Hmm.
I came across this like Cognizant had a career comeback
Hmm.
returnship program basically.
Hmm. Hmm.
So I applied through one of my friend also. I had applied myself and got a chance. Like
Hmm.
I had interview in May itself, and then I think mid May they gave me a call for face to face interview, and
Hmm.
then they gave me offer letter.
Amazing. So could you observe the difference between how confident you were or how clear you were during the interviews before CCH and after CCH when this cognizant opportunity happened? Was there a difference? Did you feel that?
Yes, I was like relaxed. Like I didn't think about the result basically.
Hmm.
I just went like I have to attend. I'll give a
Hmm.
try and try my best.
Hmm.
Not waiting for I didn't think about the results.
Hmm. So
So
basically,
that
you were prepared. In the mind, you were prepared, so you were relaxed.
yeah,
And how we always talk about the process and not getting worried about the results, that
yeah,
also helped you
yeah,
out.
yeah. That
Amazing.
helped me. It was a
Amazing.
complete change for me.
Awesome. Awesome. And now, like, some of like other warriors who are there inside CCS, inside Diamond Hive, who are also on the journey and they will also restart very soon. But in the journey, sometimes they feel demotivated because results are not visible. What would be your message to them? What would you say to them?
Actually, Satyam, considering my journey, I had also a lot of failures. Like sometimes, though I had practiced some of the coding parts, but I was not able to get at the time of the interview. I
Mm.
think you should take it as a lesson, rework on it, and go ahead. you'll get a chance, and definitely you'll get an opportunity. There are a lot of opportunities now in the market, I think, and everyone will
Hmm.
need it. And I wish all the best to all the career warriors actually. And somehow
Awesome.
I'll meet someday someone from the
Yes.
warriors.
Yes. Yes. Where are you based, Sheetal?
I'm in Bangalore. Soon I'll meet you also.
You're meeting in the next week, right? For the
Next week,
Bangalore meetup.
yes.
Awesome,
Bangalore.
awesome. So, final question. Three things that you would suggest Diamond Warriors which are non-negotiable. Diamond Warriors who are learning inside the Diamond Hive of CCH. What are the three topmost things that you would suggest them that please make sure that you learn and execute this?
I think first of all you should work on yourself, build the confidence.
Hmm.
Second is keeping yourself upskilled. That is
Hmm.
more important.
Hmm.
And third is trust yourself. You'll
Hmm.
be there.
Awesome.
These three
Awesome. Awesome.
things. Uh,
Perfect. So will we find you like would you keep continue your learning journey inside the Diamond Hive after you have started your job or you're looking to first stabilize in your job and then resume your learning? Will your upskilling continue from here, Sridhar?
yes, Satyam, I'll continue because I think I'll look out for more opportunities.
100%. You should because this is just the start. This is just a hint from the universe that you can do it.
Yeah,
Now there is many more opportunities to be unfolded, right?
yeah. Because
Awesome.
I'm not just satisfied for this, I'll go ahead and do my reskilling. I'll continue it.
Really
I'm
like
not
that.
going to leave this amazing community at all.
Amazing, amazing. Thank you so much, Sheetal. Really, really really proud of you. Really inspired by how you worked on yourself after such a challenging phase. You first, first you regained yourself, and then you actually restarted getting
Yes.
back to work, right? So this is really inspiring. So so proud of yourself.
Thank you, Satyam. Thank you. And thanks all the community members.
Thank you so much, Sheetal. Just hitting the record button off, and yes.